Hi there and welcome into my channel. Some of you were asking about my outfit. I had said I was making a Winifred Sanderson outfit. So I'm in to give you a quick look at what it looks like before I alter it and change it. And then I'll give you a look at once it's completed. This here is a long dress that I wore to our town festival. I wore it about 10 years ago, and I cut it up the side and wore it as Lady Guinevere. No Lady Guinevere, just a lady, because my husband was dressed as a knight, and I went side saddle on an inflatable horse. So I need to sew the seam back up the side there. So, as you know, Winifred's got a purple dress and a green cloak. So I've got the green cloak here to come round it as well. Pull this round. See that? I've got the green cloak there. What I'm going to do is I've got some gold trim, and I'm going to put the gold trim all the way around the cloak. I'm going to cut the dress up round here so that it goes up and down, so that you can see I've got these witch stockings to go behind, and I'm going to put some purple and green organza in there just as a wee extra bit. I'm actually going to cut a hole in the sleeves here, cut a hole in the cloak here, because I want these puffy sleeves to come and show through, so the arms are going to stick out through the cloak. I have a green elastic belt here, you know, the old nurses' belts. This is a new one. I'm going to use that to hold the cloak in place. And I've also got a Sanderson wig, so I'll come back on and I'll show you once it's all been altered and detailed. And I might change this trim up here silver, so I might have to change that into gold, because I'm obviously putting gold trim on it. I'm also going to put runes, you know, witch runes. I've been drawing them out on the iron-on vinyl. I couldn't think of the word there, so I'm going to be putting them round about. Let me see, because they're in this my wee sewing drawer here. You know, like this. I'm going to put them round about the cloak as well. Well, that's the plan, but I don't know if I'm going to do them or no. But as I said, this is the dress here, and I'll come back in and show you on once it's complete. Okay, thanks for watching. Short and sweet today. Bye.